are you doing? You're not fucking... Fuck's sake!
Go! Man, where is your car? Please go! Please go! Please go! You don't have a car! You can't do this! Man, you can't do this! It doesn't work like that! You're holding up traffic! Get out! Get out! Man, get out! Get out! Are you crazy? Man, you don't have a car! Get out! I don't give a fuck! Man, get out! You don't have a car! Are you crazy?
What do you mean?
Get out!
To go around. I don't get it. What's the problem? How was that? How was that?
Man, you don't have a car. The guy came up.
Right there. The car was coming out. How was that going to go up my ass?
Man, she's crazy. I swear to God. No, you don't have a car. Move.
What do you mean?
Move.
I had to move.
I don't care.
Anyway.
Hey, the car was coming out.
Exactly. So how was that going to come in reverse?
Guys, am I the only crazy one here?
But the
Move,
car
man.
was there.
Yo, move. I'm not gonna move. She's crazy, man.
What do you mean I'm crazy? What do you mean?
Mate.
How was that supposed to go back?
Move. Yeah, exactly.
Exactly, but I had to move back anyway.
Move. Man, she's crazy. I swear to God. I'm not gonna move.
You have no right to do that. You have no right.
I'm not gonna move. Get out. Stupid.
Dickhead! What the f... Get the fuck out of the way! You ain't getting that, mate. Whoa, that was close. Fucking hell. Oh no. After you, I insist.
Yeah, you picture that boat in the way.
Yeah. Yeah, you're going the wrong way. Fuck me, they're all out today, haven't they? Yeah, go on. Oh, that was dodgy. But, yeah, I think I'd still rather have fluid in this bloody.
That's not good.
Yeah.
You have people around you, but like not that many, so it's not even like they're warm and like warm up your flag.
I've only got. Only you going to do that. Tried to fuck him up so he couldn't do it. I knew what he was going to do.
Oh, what an idiot.
Yep.
Because he hates paperwork and he likes to just tick.
What's her penis? Right then. Good boy. doing? She fucking about on her phone. Fucking stupid bird. I'm glad you looked, you fucking silly old bitch. Oh, river red. Stupid old fucker. Get out the way. Jesus. Fuck off.
Why is everyone right to the other side of the
No.
road?
Fucking idiots. You're a clever fucker, aren't you? Dickhead. Straight through the red. This one?
Yeah.
What the fuck are you doing, you fucking knob?
Well, just pulled out and said,
Went round the wrong side of the island to go around that bike.
no, he's landing quite low to us. He was like,
What's an utter penis? Blame you in, knob rock.
can't go right.
No, but you can go out into that lane. It's 2 lanes, same as out of BNS.
No,
He
but
wants to be out
take
there.
that.
Oh, fuck off! Knob. And then he came this way anyway. Stop it, dickhead. Knob.
In Wales, all non-essential shops can reopen from Monday. Police have released pictures of 35 people
Straight through the red light.
after protests in London this month.
Fuck you, piss taker. What the fuck? Fuck's sake! Stupid cunt! What the fuck are you lot all doing? Oh my fucking days. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's people going the wrong fucking way down the A12. Oh my god, there's people driving up the fucking slip road the wrong way. Oh my god. What's this fucking knob doing? Fuck's sake. On your phone while you're driving? Nice. Stuck to her ear, brilliant. right line. What a fucking arsehole. No problem. Easy. Fucking hell. You are a fucking dick nose, you really are. What a cock.
So he said, Graham, I need you to look at all the cameras in this. They've got 6 vans. He's asked me to look at the cameras in 6 vans.
Are you going to go through that? You fucking wanker.
Of the 6.
Again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm surprised that you would do that in your fucking piece of shit. What, like a fucking Chippendale?
Yeah, or one of the butlers in the back.
Chippendale Street. No, mate, no! What the fuck are you doing, you fucking prick? What the fuck? It's gonna be like
Up your ass.
chewing at my bumper if you want to get past.
Chewing up your bum.
Bumper. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, thank you, you fuckwit. That was a really intelligent thing to do, wasn't it?
Pulled out right
Yeah,
on.
just to fuck.
Sus.
Why couldn't that selfish prick have just let that car go? What a knob.
Yeah, of course I can. You don't want curry sauce?
What is he doing?
Hey, what does Nathan want?
You know what? I'm not parking there because then you're stuck in the bloody one-way bit. So, sorry KFC, but...
They're obviously watching.
Cool. Bottom again.
What is it with black people that have bright...
Where the fuck are you going? Jesus. Now,
This is where the other they put in.
do? Just pull in front of
Straight
you.
into my lane.
What car? Oh,
Audi.
oh, it's overtaking.
Oh,
Bloody hell. Jesus Christ.
That is dangerous. Got 2 children in the car with him.
Shit! Alright, can you call Mom? You pair okay?
The team shortly. Plus, happy endings is my favorite. It's a game we're playing after 9, where you need to name the songs from Howling End. Give me a hell yeah if you want to hear
Dickhead.
a rockin' flame.
Hold him, man.
Maybe.
The fucking hell, you dickhead! Save that.
And it does put fucking lines in your lawn.
Oh my god!
So it's
Is
but it's not.
lorry?
What?
Hang on, let's